Product videos allow businesses to advertise their products and generate revenues in multiple figures. However, ideating, shooting, editing of these videos and all the other steps take a lot of time and a lot of business revenue. In order to make this process faster, easier and cheaper, today I will show how you can use this amazing AI tool to create product videos within minutes. This AI tool is really amazing because it can generate videos within very few steps and also has many features. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. To make these videos, click on the first link given in this video's description. You will be redirected to this AI tool called Creatify. You can see that this tool is #1 product of the day on Product Hunt. Click here on Get Started. You can either enter your email address and password or simply click Sign In with Google, and then choose a Gmail with which you want to create an account. Select the Gmail and then click Continue. After doing these steps, Creatify will ask a few questions. You can read the questions and select any answer according to your thoughts. After completing the 5 questions, you will see the Creatify homepage. There are many AI tools within Creatify, but for this video, we will only focus on this URL to Video Ad Maker. Click here on Create Now. Here, you can either manually upload information about your product, or simply copy-paste a URL, and the AI will automatically fetch the data. I have found a product on Amazon for which we will make a video. I will just copy the URL and paste it here. Click Analyze URL. The AI will analyze the URL and show you some data. You can either edit it or keep it as it is. You can also upload your logo or add some other images to be included in the video. After making the necessary changes, click Next. Select the details of the videos, like aspect ratio, video length, target audience, and the language of the video. After doing this, click Next. The AI will now generate a script for the video. You can see, we have 2 different scripts to choose from. Also, you can choose to add your own script. After reading the script, I have decided to select the first one. You can also make changes to the existing scripts by clicking here. Click Next. The AI will now start making the final video. We also have the option to make changes to the final video, so let's check it out. You can see that on the left, we have many different styles of videos. Select one and the video is now available. You can play the video and check it.
Imagine uncovering a robotic companion that dances, sings, and even performs tricks on command. The Black Foru RC robot dog isn't just a toy, it's a child.
You can check all the styles and choose any one that you like. You can see that all the styles are amazing. Click here on Avatar and you will be able to change the person appearing in the video. Click on Voice and you will be able to change the voice of the person in the video. Then, you can change the aspect ratio and also the background music of the video. After making all the changes, click Render. You can see that our video will have a watermark. We will see how to remove it later. Click Render with Watermark. Our video will now be saved here in Projects. Click on the 3 dots and you will be able to download or edit the video. Now, to remove the watermark, we will need a paid plan, but I will show how you can get almost 45% discount on the total price. Click on the 3 dots near your profile and click Subscription. You can see, we are currently on free plan with 5 credits remaining. Click on Upgrade your plan. We have different plans here with various different benefits. Also, on the top, if you select monthly, there are no discounts, but if you select yearly, you get a 30% discount. So, I will select yearly. The business plan is the most popular, offering 600 videos in a year. But you can select Creator Plan as well, offering 120 videos. You can increase the video count in your plan and the price will get adjusted accordingly. After deciding a plan, click Upgrade. You will be redirected to the payment page. On the left, there is an option to add promotion code. Enter TEEN15 and click Apply. You will get a 15% discount, and we already received a 30% discount by selecting the yearly plan, making it almost a 45% discount. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. If you want to know about another amazing AI tool that allows you to write SEO optimized content for your website, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.